Questions 1 to 2. Read a text aloud. Directions. In this part, you will be asked to read aloud the text on the screen. You will have 45 seconds to prepare. Then, you will have 45 seconds to read the text out loud. Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
Welcome to the Regional Career Expo. The job fair will begin at 9 a.m. in the main exhibition hall. More than 50 companies are here today to discuss career opportunities in business, technology, healthcare, and education. Please wear your name badge at all times and bring copies of your resume. We hope you make valuable connections and enjoy a productive day.
Begin preparing now. Begin reading now.
It's an honor to have you in Silver Star Cinemas. Before the movie begins, we would like to remind all guests to silence their mobile phones and keep conversations to a minimum during the show. Outside food and drinks are not permitted in the theater. Children should remain seated with their parents at all times. For your safety, please note the location of the nearest exit. Thank you for your cooperation and enjoy the film.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to describe the pictures on the screen in as much detail as possible. You will have 45 seconds to prepare your response. Then you will have 30 seconds to talk about the pictures. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a group of students is sitting around a table in a classroom and working together on an assignment. One student is pointing at a paper in the center of the table, while another student is writing notes in a notebook. Two other students are looking at a laptop and discussing the material, and several documents, highlighters, and phones are spread out on the table. In the background, more students can be seen in the classroom, as well as a large whiteboard on the wall.
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In this picture, a man is exercising in a gym and lifting a barbell from the floor. He appears to be doing weightlifting exercise on a platform near the center of the room. In the background, another man is holding a dumbbell and a woman can be seen near the exercise machines. The gym is bright and spacious with large windows, mirrors, benches, and various pieces of equipment. On the floor, there are also some mats and foam rollers.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to answer 3 questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 5 and 6, and 30 seconds to respond to question 7. Imagine that you are talking to a colleague about your living environment. Now, I'm going to ask you 3 questions.
What type of home do you live in?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I live in a house in a quiet neighborhood. It has several rooms, a comfortable living area, and enough space for my family to relax and spend time together.
Do you prefer living in a house or an apartment? Why?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I prefer living in a house because it usually offers more space and privacy. It is also more comfortable for family life, especially since my kids can have their own room and a garden we can all play in.
In your opinion, what makes a neighborhood a good place to live in?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
In my opinion, a good neighborhood should be safe, clean, and convenient. It is important to have nearby stores, schools, and transportation because that makes daily life easier. I also think friendly neighbors and quiet surroundings are important since they create a peaceful environment. When a neighborhood has these qualities, people can feel comfortable, secure, and happy living there.
Directions. In this part, you will be asked to refer to information on the screen in order to answer 3 questions. The information will be shown for 45 seconds before you hear the questions. After listening to each question, you will have 3 seconds to prepare your response. You will have 15 seconds to respond to questions 8 and 9, and 30 seconds to respond to question 10. Begin preparing now.
Hello, I'm interested in your catering service. Could you tell me the difference between the standard buffet and the premium event package?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Yes, I can. The standard package includes 2 main dishes, rice or pasta, mixed vegetables, dessert, and soft drinks, while the premium package includes 3 main dishes, 2 side dishes, salad, a dessert tray, and both soft drinks and coffee.
Could you tell me the delivery options you offer for catering orders?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
We offer free delivery for orders over $150. For smaller orders, there is a $20 delivery fee, and delivery is available from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m.
I'm planning a weekend event for more than 50 guests. Could you explain the booking deadline and the deposit policy?
Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
Yes, since your event is on the weekend, the catering must be booked by Thursday at 5 p.m. Also, because you expect more than 50 guests, the company requires at least 5 days' notice for large events. Regarding payment, a 20% deposit is required for all orders over $300. You should also keep in mind that cancellations made less than 24 hours before delivery are subject to a fee.
Directions. In this part, we'll be asked to give your thoughts on a certain topic. It is to your advantage to speak as much as possible in the time provided. You will have 30 seconds to prepare your response and 60 seconds to speak. Which of the following is the best choice for housing? Renting a home or buying a home? Choose one of the options above and explain your opinion. Give clear reasons and specific examples to support your answer. Begin preparing now. Begin speaking now.
I think buying a home is the best choice for housing. One reason is that it gives people more stability and a stronger sense of security. When you own a home, you do not have to worry as much about rent increase or being asked to move. Another reason is that buying a home can be a good long-term investment. Instead of paying rent every month, homeowners are building value in their property over time. For example, if someone lives in the same house for many years, the home may increase in value and become an important financial asset. Of course, renting can be a better option for people who need flexibility, but in my opinion, buying a home is the better choice because it offers both stability and long-term financial benefits. It also gives people more freedom to make changes to their living space and truly make it their own. You've officially finished all 11 questions. Great job! Which part did you find the most challenging today? Let me know in the comment section below. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe for more updated 2026 TOEIC content. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay awesome!